Okay. There's Miss Purdy Cat climbing up the bed. Oh. Careful. Don't roll over your siblings.
Josh, oh, he did.
Watch out, Mocat. Mocat.
Well,
Out of the way because I don't know.
Purdy Cat.
did you see what we got?
Sure.
You know what we got?
Come here, Miss Purdy Cat.
Okay, well.
Come here, Miss Purdy Cat. Come here, Miss Purdy Cat.
And that's
Hey,
all.
bro cat.
Nothing in the sub-
Here's my dad's family. This is my dad. This is his one brother, who's the oldest, and he's like third from the bottom. He's the middle child. This is
Right.
all my aunts, my grandma, and my grandpa. And he actually, my grandpa, just had surgery today, and that's why my mom is on the phone. But that's why it's so hard to vlog when people are talking on the phone. There's Mama Cat! Ooh, looking good, hot stuff. Can we see your belly under that shirt?
Hopefully not. Look at that. That looks like a blast.
Woohoo! Oh, no pictures. I'm just vlogging.
Open. Gee, whippers.
If they what, Mom?
I don't want to be on your blog. Just go away. Are you
All
gonna?
right, Mocat.
Mocat, can you do it?
Jump.
Can you?
Jump, jump, jump.
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 Oh, look at he
Here,
can't.
you
He's,
wanna
the nerves are getting.
Ready?
Oh, one step down. There you
Whoa.
I jumped up.
All right, Brocat, go as high as you can on the stairs and jump on there.
Gosh, you guys are gonna end up. You know, someone's gonna report you to local social service to make sure they don't know where you live.
All right, Brocat, go up there and jump off the biggest, highest step and jump onto that cushion. Okay, everyone, watch Brocat. He's gonna jump onto the cushion.
Watch me.
I'm watching.
I'm watching
Do
you,
it.
Brocat. Can you do it?
Whoa, yeah.
That was a head dive.
Can you go any higher? Can you go one step higher? Go one step higher.
No.
No.